Good morning students, happy new year to all. Today we will start closing paint window. We already learned about save the paint window, how to save. First you go to the file tab, then click on the save option, and then after one save as dialog box will appear, and this in this box here one file name is there. You will write your file name and click on the save button. Like this your paint file will be saved. Okay, now how to close the paint window. Follow these steps to close the paint window. Click on the close button at the top right corner of the paint window. In this picture it is not mentioned. It is only saying about the file tab and the options is given. Where we will get the close button? We will get the close button. See, this is the our paint window file is there. One corner here one close button is showing. In this close button if we will click, so what will happen, our paint window will be closed. Okay, or one more option is given. Click on the file tab and select the exit option. Exit option where it will get, after if you want to close the paint window, we will go to the file. Here so many menu in the file menu, so many options will come. In the last one is there exit. If you will click on the exit, your paint window will be closed. Okay, then now how to opening the saved picture. Which picture already we saved, how to open it. Okay, so follow these steps to open the picture. Open paint by clicking on the start window accessories paint. Okay, so this is the start button. We will click on this. So many menu options will appear. In the options window accessories we will click a paint window. After that paint window will click it. After clicking, your paint window will open. Then how to open that your existing file, which one you saved? Click on the file tab, and in the file tab so many options will come. New, open, save picture. You click on the open. Okay, when you click on the open, so many options will come. In this option, which paint you want to open it, that you will click it. Okay, the open window will appear. Select the location where the file is saved, means where you saved your file, that you will select it, and select the name of the file from the list. Means if I saved in my paint window in the desktop or any one personal file, in this open window it will be appear, and when you will click it, and in that your file will open, and you select what is your file name when you click it. Okay, after clicking it, then click on the open button, your picture will appear. Okay, so here is mentioned fully in this this picture. You can you first here you got file and open. Okay, after opening, if I am saving in the desktop, okay, in desktop so many files is coming. If I am still in my picture, if I am saving, so I will click in the my picture. Okay, then open I will click. After opening, my picture will come. Okay, my picture will come. Then opening the save picture, you understood? Close the window, you understood? Okay, so this is today I will only 2 topics I will teach you. Next class I will teach you the how to edit the existing picture and resizing the picture. I am going slowly because if you will not either it will be hodgepodge for you. You will not get understand how to, means so many steps if I will tell you, means it will be difficult for you to understand. Understood? So today you will learn. My point is not only read the lesson. My point, if you have the computer, try to practice. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.